Greetings from Ensurity Group. Do you know how important it is to have health insurance in the United States? Health insurance is not mandatory, but very necessary to be protected from any eventuality, such as accidents, diseases or costly medical treatments. This ensures some of the most important services for the population. Not only does it cover all, or a large part of the costs of diseases and accidents, but also disabilities expenses and even pregnancies. This insurance is considered the most economical and accessible. In addition, because it is a state benefit, you can get to pay $0 monthly for all your benefits. For more information, you can contact us via WhatsApp or phone call at the phone number you see on the screen. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep you aware of the most reliable insurance information on the platform. Bye.